snipers, it's your boy Leo here from Mega Gaming, and today I'm going to be showing you possibly the best, and I think it is the best, sniper in Destiny. So I've done shotguns, the primaries, and now let's go to sniper. So let me motes this thing up. I need some motes for this. I picked this up from the Vanguard Quartermaster just then. I got a pretty bad roll in it. I need to find a good scope. I quite like the ambush. Yeah, I like the ambush, bro. Oh, so basically, I'm not really gonna be putting on any things because I don't really like the perks got. It's a waste of motes, in my opinion. But let's check out the flavor text on this thing. You can see everything, you can unsee nothing. Cool, so it does void damage, my one. It's a very popular sniper and I've used it a little bit on my one I have on my warlock, but I wanted to get another one that I could just pick up from the Vanguard Quartermaster for 150 legendary marks, and here it is. So it has a low rate of fire and a high impact, a pretty decent range and quite high stability with a snappy reload and a magazine of 4. So this can basically red snipe of any player, and it can one shot headshot obviously, and does quite a lot of damage, and I like it. Very snappy. There are there are some competition like longbow, and which one was it? The Vanguard one. I forgot the name for it. But even though there's so much competition, I just still think this one outplays them. And let's show you guys some gameplay of the 1,000-yard in action in some control on Battlefield. I like the sights. Oh god damn it, really, bro. I like the sights on this thing, man. It's probably my favorite sights. Some of you don't like it, but I find it very easy to use.
Secure. Enemy captured Zone B. Zone C
Bro,
lost.
literally, this is such an uneven game. It was a 2v, it's a 5v thingy, 6.
Enemy controls all zones.
But at least this isn't Iron Banner. It's Iron Banner to be crazy. Oh god.
Zone A secure.
God damn it. I see this guy. Haha. Come on, man, I need to sniper a bit more. Let's snipe along this side. Oh god damn it, this is... Bro! Get off my back! Jeez, you want to yeet fun, whatever it is. Sorry, my voice sounds a bit weird. I don't know if it does, but I got braces today and then it's just messing my mouth up.
Zone C secure. Zone A lost. Enemy captured Zone A. Zone B neutralized.
Bro. Holy crap, guys. Oh yeah. See, it can knock down supers like nothing, guys.
Enemy captured Zone B.
Bro, someone's coming. Did I miss that? Dude, I think I got too lucky there, and that little quick scope that I pulled off was a bit too fluky, and now I have no ammo. I need to get some special so I can carry on hitting those oh crap, bro. Perfect. Oh dang, that's rubbish. Oh wait, on the side, on the... The
Enemy
miner
captured
is very
Zone C.
useful.
They've got 'em all, Guardians.
Oh yes, some greens. Eat some greens, bro.
Zone
Eat your
A
greens, bro.
neutralized.
And you pull some more snipes like that. Oh. Why do I make
Zone
those
A
sounds when I
secure.
get the? Oh wait, no. Someone's in there. I think I see someone. There we go. Bro, no, one body shot. Yes, assist. That's definitely. Oh, bro, no assist. Look at that. I need some greens. Bro, I've run out of ammo too fast. Hey, where are you guys? Where are you, bro? Where are you, mate? I was in the middle of pulling out putting out my slam, but that guy shotgunned me and I got sent down. But as usual, there'll be some easy pickings. Oh crap! No, the deal breaker. It's a crappy gun. Who uses the deal breaker? Oh, if you're good with it, you try to do some damage. But oh wait, I hear a hammer. Hello. Bro, no kills? Really? Alright, who cares? I wasn't even gonna use. I deal more damage with this thing anyway. Bro, save me.
Enemy captured Zone A.
Body shot that guy. Man, the body shots are insane. Alright, why am I running? I'm using too much ammo for this. Right, I'm gonna go by the tree. Oh god damn it. What is this?
Zone B neutralized. Zone B secure. Zone C lost.
Alright.
Enemy captured Zone C.
Alright, let's go guys. Come on. Special. Okay, I'm ready for this. I'm ready for this scope. Is anyone there? Don't think so. I'm going for it, guys. Oh man, I just want to get into my sniping spot. Bro, let me get to my sniping spot, will ya?
Zone B lost.
Alright, I got this, guys. Yes, I'm here. I'm safe. Now let's stop them from capping.
Enemy captured Zone B.
Lol. Oh crap. Oh bro, I didn't. Oh, raise ladder. Oh yeah, a common guy. Yes, I was mad for a second there, but I was happy with the fact that I got killed by a raise ladder. Cause just FYI, I know you guys don't want to know this, but these headshots are insane. You can't do this with a normal a different gun. You can't do this. You can't pull off these headshots with another gun. You just can't. Oh wait, some greens. I want some greens. I only have one bullet. And my favorite thing to do is just body shot people like a noob. If I had my way, I would probably have my weapons of flight on and literally just camp in the middle one. Oh, I see someone.
Zone A lost. Enemy captured Zone A.
Where's, oh god, there, I see him, guys. Exactly, they're scared, mate. They're scared of the 1,000-yard. Shut down in my prime. Mate, it's kind of hard to go proper hardcore in a game with just a sniper, but this sniper is.
Zone C secure.
Getting killed by level 24, like, I'm dead, guys. I'm dead. Come on, get to the tree. It's where all good things happen. Bro, I said it's where all good things happen. You gotta respect. It's not a good game. Pulled off some pretty damn awesome snipes, but not a good game overall. Sorry about that, dude. Bro, where's my aim? Thank you, thank you. And there, now, I do what I usually do. I rush to that tree and then miss a couple of snipes and get one good snipe, and I'm like, oh, bro. I need to get the greens. Oh, I need to stop them capping as well. I haven't been playing the...
Zone A neutralized. Zone A secure.
I know. There we go. A double body shot, sneaky. Dirty and sneaky. Patrolling the area. Oh, someone.
Zone
left.
C neutralized. Enemy captured.
I need to get some more green. Oh, someone took the greens, really?
Zone C secure.
Oh god.
Zone
Get B, and you cut back B. Oh, someone's behind me. This is so insane, man. I have not been capping anything. If I had,
Zone B
then my
secure.
score would probably be a bit higher, but I've been mainly just getting kills and stuff. Oh, let me challenge a guy to a 1v1 sniper. Bro, I swear to God, just leave me alone. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Ah, yes, we got all the zones. If we, oh no, we can't win this. There's no way in hell we're winning this. So,
30 seconds and counting. Enemy captured.
how much health does a warlock have? Oh no, I wasn't playing the actual mission, man. I wasn't capping. I was being selfish there. If it was Clash, I would have completely dominated the leaderboards. But I guess it was an alright game. I don't think I had a high KD. Oh, 0.8, not bad. 12 kills. Oh, and I get it in times of need. So overall, guys, pretty good game. 0.8 KD with mostly sniper kills. I'm pretty happy with it. Anyways, guys, it's a great gun. Be sure to try it out. It does so much damage, very well rounded. Anyways, guys, I've been America Gaming. Thanks for watching. Peace out.